Shenzhen Grandeur Electronics Company Limited is a national high-tech entity enterprise specializing in the production of flashlights and is authorized as a law enforcement equipment supplier by the Ministry of Public Security of China. We have our own R&D team and pay great attention to the originality of our products. The market center is located in Shenzhen, China, and the production center is located in Dongguan, China, covering an area of 3,000 square meters. The own independent brand Tank007 focuses on the professional lighting needs of the high-end flashlight market. Our products use premium materials and electronic components from outstanding global suppliers and are designed and produced by ourselves throughout the process to ensure stable quality and competitive price. Over the years, we have built up a team of skilled workers to ensure excellent quality and on-time delivery. The monthly production capacity reaches more than 200,000 pieces. Products include UV flashlights, law enforcement, tactical, fire and explosion-proof, industrial flashlights, outdoor mini flashlights, jade identification, medical pen flashlights, and other portable and durable LED lighting. After more than 20 years of development, the company has become an excellent brand and manufacturer in the high-level flashlight industry and has developed flashlight products and production services for many global well-known enterprises. Currently, Tank007 brand flashlights are exported to more than 60 countries. We provide both OEM and ODM services and warmly welcome dealers and brand owners from all over the world to discuss a long-term cooperation.
Welcome to Tank007. We are one of the earliest factory in China to produce and design the UV light. We are good at using the ultraviolet flashlights to achieve the best and professional application fields. So if you demand it, contact us. Law enforcement and firefighter series, criminal investigation series, outdoor and tactical series. All of them are waterproof and anti-dropped, can adapt to the various harsh environments. So you can see there are more than 100 pieces of the flashlights in our factory. There must be one model can fit your demand.